So how to change your address on PayPal. So to change the address registered with your PayPal account, if you open up the PayPal dashboard, you'll just want to click on the settings icon right here. Then once you've done that, it'll open you up to this page here. And if you just scroll down a little bit, your address will be displayed at the bottom right here. So to go ahead and change it, click Edit, and then it will pull you through to this page here, and you simply just want to input the new address information. So that can include your first and second line of address, city or town, as well as your postcode or zip code. Then once you've entered your new address information, click Update at the bottom, and then you should be notified with a green message at the top to say that your new address information has been updated. And you should also see your new address information listed right here. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.